Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Roblox and verifying the email tied to your account because recovery and notifications rely on it. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, then Security. Make sure Phone or Authenticator app is nearby. Choose SMS for simplicity or an Authenticator app for stronger protection. Both create time-based codes that change frequently. Do this now because delaying leaves the account vulnerable. Make sure your device clock is correct, as code generation depends on accurate time. Next, enable two-step verification by selecting either SMS or an authenticator app. The how matters because apps are more secure versus SMS. If you pick an app, scan the QR code or type the setup key into your app, and then enter the generated code to confirm. Once done, Roblox will prompt you to store backup codes, download or write them down and keep them safe. Also, add a secondary device if possible, so you can regain access if your primary phone is lost. To finish, sign out and sign back in to test the new two-step flow. This verifies everything works and teaches you the rhythm of entering codes. If a code is rejected, first ensure your phone's clock is synced. Time drift breaks authenticator codes, then rescan the QR or request a new SMS code. If you're locked out, use your stored backup codes before contacting support, because they instantly restore access without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.